Hello guys, welcome to Software Designs. Today we'll be teaching you how to use perspective in Coreldraw. And perspective in Coreldraw can be done in this way. Let's start with, let's click on this text, then click. Let's say we want to, let's use the same word right up. Let's say soft touch designs from here, and then drag to this point. Change the font. You can change the font to any font of your choice. Click on Montserrat. No, this Montserrat. And then when you want to power click, perspective. When you want to do a perspective aspect, you come to object, you scroll down, you see perspective from here. You see add perspective. And it has already selected and given you this red out grid or red outline. That tells you that you want to perspective. Look at drag from this angle. You drag, it's giving you a view how you can rearrange it. Go backward, come in between, go like this, come back. You can rearrange to fit its output. You can, as you can see from here. Let's give it a try with another object. Um, we will do, this is a rectangle. Give it any color of your choice from here. Let's take it out of the artboard, and then click on perspective from here. Add perspective. It allows you to distort in this way, giving it, you can give it a back view. Mhm. That is how to add perspective. Thank you. I will see you in our next